It's time to turn the tables on everything you thought you knew about feeding your baby solids. Recommendations have changed over the years, and what your friends or family members may be telling you might be outdated thinking. When is a good time to start feeding your baby solid foods? The following are myths that persist as we learn about the truth of feeding your baby solids. Myth number 1. You should serve only one food for a few days before introducing another. The truth. Unless your baby's pediatrician has specified otherwise, most experts agree that you don't have to wait days between serving up new foods. While past recommendations suggested a waiting period between new food introductions to make sure your little one doesn't show signs of allergies, research now indicates that waiting days between new foods will only stretch out exposure to a wider variety, possibly leading to a delay in the introduction of allergenic foods, which isn't beneficial. You should, of course, watch your baby carefully to see how he reacts to any new food, but remember that it's unlikely your baby will be allergic to most, if not all, of the foods you introduce. Myth number 2. Infants who are breastfed have to be given water to drink. The truth. Infants who are breastfed don't need to be given water, as breast milk contains exactly the amount of water an infant needs. Until solid food is introduced, there is no need for additional water to be given to an infant to drink. Infants who are fed formula from birth may be given boiled cooled water. Myth number 3. Rice cereal must be the first foods for infants. The truth. It is traditionally believed that rice is most easily digested, and hence rice cereal should be introduced as an infant's first food. But doctors now believe that rice cereal does the same for babies as they do for us. They get digested very fast in the body to create sugar, raising the blood sugar. Some highly debated theories also say that over-dependence on rice cereal at that age actually raises carbohydrate craving in children, leading to childhood obesity. Whatever be the case, the better way may be to follow the middle path. Rice cereal is still one of the easiest and most convenient first foods. But it may be a good idea to supplement it with dal water, pureed fruits and vegetables, and even pureed fish and meat. Myth number 4. My baby will sleep better once solids are introduced. The truth. This myth is unfortunately not true, despite what you may have heard from your well-meaning friends, mother or grandmother. Eating solids is a developmental skill, not a way to get your baby to sleep through the night. And the truth is, most babies will start sleeping through the night anyway around 4 to 6 months of age, precisely when solids are being introduced. There's also no evidence to suggest that putting cereal in a baby's bottle will promote better, or longer, sleep, plus it's dangerous to do so. Myth number 5. Food must be introduced in a specific order. The truth. There's no rule that says your baby's introduction to solids must follow a specific order. Want to start with avocado? Go for it. Sweet potato? That'll work. Cereal? Sure, though try to make it wheat, quinoa, or oat cereal instead of rice pears. Broccoli? Peas? Eggs? Fish? Go for it. No need to stick to a specific order of foods. Even allergenic foods don't have to be in a specific order, or served only after other food has been introduced. Studies have clearly demonstrated that delaying the introduction of allergens increases, rather than decreases, the risk of allergies developing. Which is why current recommendations suggest that the earlier you introduce allergenic foods to your little one, the better. If allergies run in your family, run a small test with doctor supervision in the event of a reaction. Remember that starting solids is a gradual process. As you and your baby enter this new stage of solids, take all necessary precautions to ensure your baby is safe. Always watch your baby while they are eating. Tell us a myth of your own in the comments section below. And thanks for watching Tiny Tribe Parents. If you could please help us out by hitting the like button, commenting and subscribing to our channel for more incredible content that is on the way.